So unfortunately, despite September 20th bringing a slew of software updates for all Apple devices except the Mac, well, yeah, no Mac OS. I don't even know what the version this year is called. I just remember it was very underwhelming when they presented it, but it's still not out yet. What we do have, though, is the new version of Safari that is supposed to be a part of that update. Has actually come out early. I think they did that with Safari and Big Sur last year. And so this should let you do like the tab sharing features and some of that other stuff that I actually haven't tested out yet with your other devices, while being still on macOS Big Sur. We still don't have a release date on Big Sur, which kind of sucks, but I'll just show you guys installing that Safari update real quick. So you're still just going to go to System Preferences, then Software Update, just as if you were doing, well, a software update. And macOS always takes significantly longer than any other software I've used or any other Apple device to actually find the update. But here it is. It's Safari 15.0, and more info, it'll tell you, what's included with this update to Safari. I'm just gonna go ahead and click Update Now. Safari has to be closed. I thought it was closed. Well, we're gonna close it. And so it should take about 25 seconds. Small update because it's literally just Safari. But if the path is any indication, we'll have to restart the computer to install the Safari update, finalize it. Oh, no, actually. All good. Let's open up Safari and see what we get. Okay, so it's looking a little bit different. What's new in Safari? We have tab groups, like I mentioned. There's new HTTPS security features, apparently. Start page sync, okay. And a redesigned tab menu. Let's try all this out. I need to update my favorite tabs because they're all kind of out of date. So say we go to Dollywood, we open up a new tab and go to, say, Nintendo, and you can see it's following the new tab design from iPad OS here. I mean, it's fine. It's not really a change to how anything functions. What's interesting is when you are on your start page, it actually, your favorites page, whatever it's called, your background actually extends all the way up into the tab bar now, which was not the case before. So yeah, that's that. And you can use tab groups as well, but I'm not going to show that because I haven't really tried that at all yet, and I don't want to be struggling through figuring it out right now because it's kind of confusing. Well, there's Safari 15 for you. It's kind of weird to release Safari 15 out of Monterey, I think was the name of the new macOS version, but they didn't release any of the other apps from Monterey, so I'm not really sure what's up with that. But I mean, if you guys want to let me know what your impressions of the new Safari are so far, although not much of anything has changed, so there shouldn't be much impressions there, I guess. And otherwise, when do you guys think that we'll be getting whatever the name of this macOS update is? I know they always come out a little bit later than all the other software updates for whatever reason, but I don't know when they haven't even announced a date yet for some reason. So let me know what you guys think.